it's Renee and welcome back to my channel. Okay y'all, so I just got out the shower. What I'm ready to do right now is I'm ready to switch over to my bathroom, and basically I'm just gonna start off with curling my hair. I want to wand curl my hair so that it's already curled for tomorrow, and then we're gonna get into a couple other things, so let's just get right into it.
You got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this. Wake up back.
Okay y'all, so I'm finished curling my hair. So what we ready to do now, I'm gonna fluff them out. I don't know if I'm gonna fluff them out tonight or if I'm gonna fluff them out, you know, in the morning before I do what I gotta do. What we're ready to get into right now is just some nighttime skincare. Okay, so these are all the products that I'll be using for tonight's skincare. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off. First, I'm gonna wash my hands, and then I'm gonna start off with this cleanser.
Over and over again. Swear to change, but
Okay, so I finished washing my face, so now I'm just gonna wipe my face off with these. This is my first time using these, so we just go see how they work.
tired of your shit, you almost your mind.
I did get this mask.
Continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause my house.
It's been 15 minutes and the mask is now dry. I'm ready to wash it off, and then we go continue with our skincare, okay? I really liked it. It was real cutesy and stuff. It was real cute.
You know what you got is good.
I'm just so due for a maintenance week. Like, y'all, no nails. I know my hair don't look bad, but it's bad. I just know how to like make my hair look like something even when it's trash. Like, I could count probably about all of my lashes total on my hands, like. But yeah y'all, that's really all that I wanted to show y'all for tonight. I just wanted to show y'all my nighttime skincare routine. I think I'm feeling really good. For my groceries to come, I ordered some groceries. Some of them come today, and then some of them come tomorrow, and then I'm going to go lay down. I'm not really cooking nothing tonight. I plan on cooking tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm really ready to wrap it up. I'm ready to go to sleep. I'm ready to put my hair up, get ready for work in the morning. Good night, loves. I'll see y'all tomorrow. It's dead ass ready to be like 8 o'clock at night, and I didn't even start cooking yet.
Let's use these next few minutes and set an intention for the rest of your day. And gently close your eyes and taking slower, deeper breaths and such good care of you. And let it that your mind starts to wander off. Be something as small as deciding to go to bed early tonight. Now let's take a few more deep breaths together before it. Holding that breath for a beat and exhaling everything out.
Okay y'all, so I'm about to start cooking. As y'all already know, every time I'm making something, it's from TikTok. I seen this Alfredo bread. Like, don't that look good? So I'm gonna make that, but I'm gonna put broccoli on mine as well. I've seen people put broccoli on there. Okay, so I'm using AirPlay. I'm playing it from my phone onto my TV. Y'all already know I love me some G Herbo. Cleaning my chicken right now, but I'm ready to turn the oven on for the bread and stuff like that. Alright y'all, so this is the bread that I got. A French baguette. You need broccoli, heavy cream. starting to cook the broccoli. I already cut up and cleaned the chicken, so we just ready to start cooking everything, and then we're gonna put everything together. Look, we made it to 300 subscribers. I love y'all so bad. Like, yeah, I remember when I had 1 fucking subscriber. Like,
I've been so long, where do I begin? And to me, you are the star, so still. Even though I find you pretty last out of mobile. Ever since I caught you all that ice, you got no chill, no more. Never try to waste your time, ain't never try to waste mine. Proved it 1,000,000 times, whoa.
10:00 p.m. I really need to book me another appointment to get more eyeglasses, because the glasses I have now, these is the Burberry glasses. I want some new frames. Like, I like how the shape of these ones is and everything like that, but I think I want some different ones. So maybe I should vlog me going to go get some new glasses and trying on some new glasses. What y'all think?
You made it, girl, you made it, oh no, no. Girl, you made it, look how you made it.
So I have a specific drawer in the bathroom that's like just for me, and it need to be organized, because I just be throwing shit in there and not putting it in there in no type of organization when I just be rushing and shit. So it be looking a mess. And I think I'm also going to just organize the shit that I have down here. So let's get into that.
Love those gray goose faces, left our dreams on pillowcases. I know you're bad and you know you are. Baby, you ain't even got words so hard. Yeah. You made it, girl, you made it, oh no, no. Girl, you made it, look how you made it, what you made it. Truth be told, I love that bitch, always thinking of that bitch. She too hot and cooling down, probably rolling with them niggas now. Why I haven't called her yet? Have I blown the cover yet? Girl, I'm about to catch a feeling, think I'm about to bust a sweat. Ballin' with your sisters now, finally hit the switches now. Used to sex to Jodeci, party paint the picture now. Down, 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 down. Never had better. She knows she's been soaked, never been wetter. Highlights, Patron faces.
Now with this book, it's like the laws be sounding harsh. Like, what you mean never put too much trust in friends? Once you actually read like the chapter, you be like, I get what he's saying a little bit.
Girl, you made it, oh no, no. Girl, you made it, look how you made it, love how you made it.
Okay, I'm gonna read the last law number 3 really quick. My camera is ready to go dead, but I just finished reading law number 2, so I just want to wrap this up. Clock that tea. I'm gonna just wrap this vlog up. I hope y'all enjoy these cozy nights in my life. Please like, comment, and subscribe for new videos every week. Let's get into it.